Not it!
Good morning, Scully! Rent's past due! And you haven't paid in ages! Wakey, wakey! Lazy bones!
I'm fast as fluff, boy. Still fast as fluff, boy.
Damn!
Listen, Greg, you fluff with me, you get the roly-poly!
We named him Oscar because he lives in the trash, and he's a grouch.
3 and 4 and 5 and 6, and you are ready to be shipped!
So long, Frank!
Help me.
I am the casting director! Surprise, motherfuckers!
Was that someone at the window?
I'm afraid so, Mrs. Fluffy Bottom.
Well, who is it then?
It's an outdoor cat.
Yeah, that's right, I'm from the street! And if you know what's good for you, give me some of that meow mix you got in there! My word, did you hear him threaten us?
I did.
What is Meow Mix? I believe it's a cassette tape with an eclectic mix of hip-hop meowsing.
I see.
My! What is hip-hop meowsing? Not a mixtape, fool! Meow Mix! Now give me some before I pop a claw in you!
Oh, great heavens! We only have Fancy Feast here.